How's it going? I'm making this video for everyone on my page looking for information or trying to or wondering what is this academy. And right here's a page that a lot of you are going to see if you ever opt in. I have a free video course as my lead magnet. Always have a lead magnet when in business. People need to know you're about helping them and not just making a sale. So I have a lead magnet that's going to introduce you to digital marketing. If you are already in digital marketing, the academy that you see me using to create all this stuff that you see on my page you'll have access right here. So AI clipping, I've already been in video, but it just enhanced me to the next level. Chris Record, who is the creator of the Atlas Academy, I'm going to show you. He's just helped me. This guy right here, he's helped me so much and so much stuff that I already knew, but it upgraded my mind. So you're going to have access to this, and now we're going to get into the Atlas Academy. So you're going to get an email to get into the Atlas Academy. Free members get in. You get personal development. But for getting started with the internet income system, we haven't went viral with it yet. A lot of us are just learning because we do weekly webinars in the Atlas Academy, as you see right here, every week, Monday through Friday, 2 hours. So a lot of us are just learning and promoting without having to spam. So a lot of us in internet income system aren't spamming. We're just on other platforms getting leads and traffic. So, and I just come to Facebook and have fun. So right here, these are some of the things you're going to learn in the Atlas Academy. So you're going to have my free video course, which is pretty much just breakdowns of what you're going to learn in the Academy. Then you're going to come on here and have the meat and potatoes. And I'm going to add other stuff for myself on the free video course as well. So you're going to learn Canva, you're going to learn CapCut, you're going to learn, clip and short form video, even AI if you don't want to use your own face. And as you start, getting more products in the internet income system, is going to unlock more bonus. So in the fast boot camp, it's another like 9-week, 8-week program with more training, some stuff that we're going to learn in our academy now, but even more stuff in here. And then we have a mentor. So right here are the products in the internet income system. You have the builder, which is $20 a month. You have the creator, which is $250 one time, and then the mentor, which is $1,000. So you're gonna have some residual income, internet income system. This is 100% commission, member to member, paid daily. All this is paid daily, and then you're gonna have some one-time commission, so you can get in that mid-ticket, a little bit, not so high ticket, but enough money where you can really start hitting the income that you want to hit online. And so this is the Atlas Academy. So for the builder product, it's actually a software. So right here, I'm going to pull up the video funnels. It's actually a video funnel. This is a way to bridge and warm up your leads. So instead of sending them to just a landing page and then to a random, page, you can send them from a landing page to a page with you. Right now, I have Chris Record because he does an amazing job explaining Atlas Academy. So he's going to explain Atlas Academy. And right when the video is over, it's going to redirect. It shows a button, but, quick, and people can click. But at the end, usually people are going to watch the whole video. It's going to redirect wherever I want them to go. So it's a software that's going to warm your lead up, bridge the gap, and then put them wherever you want them to go. So that is the first product. The second product in the creator is literally just so you can fast start your digital marketing. So it's a whole bunch of videos you can use on social media, motivational, niche based, without using your face, and you can start getting engagement on your social media. And then the mentor package is motivation with Marcus Taylor's all mindset, personal development as well. So we have everything, and we have a marketplace right now. This is going to have products put in here. Some you have to, own to resell, but there's going to be other products you can just, become an affiliate for and start promoting them to, the world. So we have everything in the internet income system. Like I said, we're not spamming it. So you're not seeing the internet income system a lot, but just know you're going to see it. You're just going to see it in a more attractive way. So right now we have one product right here, which is another mid-ticket product for someone that wants to learn, ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads. So this guy, Michael Crouch, he's the ads guy. He's done millions for companies with ads. People like Ty Lopez, if you know Ty Lopez, he's just the guy for ads. And Chris Record will probably be in there as well. New product just released. So we have a lot of stuff upgrading. That's another reason why we haven't, pushed it, all the way. We're just kind of waiting for it to be a full complete system, which it already is, but just know it's going to be one of the best, systems out and one of the best academies out. And I stand on that, especially for newbies. A lot of people have products and stuff that a lot of people just aren't duplicating it. Let's just be real. It's a good product or something, but the system is mainly for the leaders. It's not for everyday people to come in and make money online, which that was the whole point of this when we all got started. So this is the academy. This is internet income system. And if you want to get started with an internet income system and get the academy as a bonus, just comment in the comments, or you'll see a link in the comment section. I'll probably just leave a link in the comment section, and just share this with someone else that might need this. You don't have to be an affiliate of internet income system. You can just come in for the academy, get that, like I said, as low as $20 a month, and you get access to this. And we're not even done with this. Right now we're doing AI. So if you're seeing this, AI is this week, and we're Monday, so 7 p.m. Eastern is AI, Monday through Friday, and we go about 2 hours and jam packed. It's gonna be one of the best weeks of the Atlas Academy. So you need to get in, and I wouldn't waste any time. It's only $20 a month. You don't have to be an affiliate if you don't want. Just get in and have access to this academy. It's always going to be upgraded. So have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video.